Just doing a quick little demonstration of the brake hold feature that I mentioned earlier. It's pretty simple to use. The requirements are that the vehicle is in drive and the driver's seatbelt is buckled. We meet both of those requirements, so I'm on a slight incline on a driveway at one of our stores right now. And to use the brake hold feature, I'm simply going to press down on the brake pedal, and then I'm going to press the button here that says hold one time. So once you press that button that says hold one time, on the gauge cluster you'll see a light that says hold come up. And at that point you know the system's active. You can take your foot off the brake pedal and you can have the vehicle in drive. Now to take control of the brake pedal again, you're simply going to press down on it. To deactivate the brake hold, you press the button one more time. You'll see the light turns off at the gauge cluster, and now you are back to holding the brake pedal down with your foot. And this is useful for if you're ever in traffic, going up a hill, going down a hill, and you don't feel like constantly pressing down on the brake pedal. It's just a little convenience feature that's pretty cool that comes on these new Toyota 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrids.